warm greetings to all of my subscribers. I'm very happy to have had you along on my little journey from complete beginner to where I am now, which is not that much further really, not in terms of a competent smith. However, I've never made a chat video before, apart from on hammers, and that wasn't pure chat. And this may very well be my only one ever, because I don't think much to people who do things talking about things that aren't to do with what they're doing, such as musicians pontificating about politics or whatever. Don't agree with it. This is to do with blacksmithing, or more to the point, my blacksmithing. When I started this channel, and it's on my title video that I put a video up every week. I'm now at the stage where I don't think I'm an absolute beginner, but what's happening now is trying to produce a video every week is actually holding me back. It's holding my progress back. So reluctantly I've decided to stop doing that. I've got to move house soon, so I've got a lot of pressure on there. Not that that's anything to do with this or my channel, apart from it's taking up my time. And there will come a point when I have to dismantle my smithy prior to moving, in which case I will have no opportunity at all to do any more videos anyway. I also think that trying to produce a video every week means that I come into the smithy and I've got to finish an article in a given length of time. Now, my teacher is very fond of telling me, and I think he's quite right, the first time you make something, ho-hum, yeah, you find out the problems, you think, okay, next time. But he's quite right, I think. He says, you hit a problem, keep going. Don't go back to the start and go, okay, I'll get past this problem next time. Keep going till you got to as far close to the end or to the end, and then you know all the problems. So then when you go back to the start, you can address all of them individually. Now, the second time you make it, you may find other things happen because you changed something on the first one. But he thinks, and I think he's quite right, that the third time you make something, you should pretty well have it down. By the 10th, you should have it down pat. You really should be able to make that article. Now, today I've tried to do 2 artifacts as demos for videos. They both run into massive problems, and I've had to ditch both of them. They're horrendous. It's not good enough. I did try to get to the point where I had sort of one in the can, so if I had a week that happened on, I'd get by, but that hasn't happened this week and I've got no time left. So I'll be changing my intro video to remove the fact that I pledged to put a video up every week. I'm afraid I will be putting videos up when I think they're of decent enough smithing quality, which may not even be every month. But I hope that the quality of things I produce from now on will be of a better quality. Now, I want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to my channel, and particular thanks to those people who take the time to comment, often very helpful comments to be honest, and lots of encouragement and praise, for which I'm very, very grateful. And I'm sorry to disappoint you people, but that's just the way it's going to have to be. So, with a heavy heart, I'm going to say cheerio until the next time, whenever that might be. God bless. A little postscript. If you want to see a very good blacksmith, in my opinion, a man who was trained at Hereford in the UK, England, UK, check out Nathan Baker's YouTube channel. His channel is called Working with Iron. I'll put a link up. If you want to see blacksmithing, go and look at this man's work. He's good, and I heartily recommend his channel, probably above all else. He doesn't put much up very often, but when he does, it's quality.